Hey, good morning, you guys. I was encouraged to do this video and kind of talk about some of the things that are going on in the marketplace, some pain points for me as an agent, some pain points for my clients, and just talk through it and give you my take on it. This week, I got a bunch of groups renewals back for July 1st, and many of them had tremendous rate increases. Many of them were 89% rate increases or 46% rate increases. Some were 23, some were 8. I mean, they're all over the board. The problem is with an 89% rate increase, you've got employees that are used to paying $400.50 or $200 because they're paying half of it. Well, as good as the insurance may be, that still poses a problem because now you're literally doubling the rate that the employee and the employer would now pay. When I see that coming down the pike, or I see that your claims are relatively high, I go out and I shop those rates. So what that means is I go out to other carriers and I look at the options based on knowing you have a high claims history or have a high claims issue, and I go out and I shop the rates. So having a broker that has access to multiple options is really paramount in this market right now. And I don't care whether you have health insurance, homeowners insurance, car insurance, we're all experiencing it. So the best way to combat that is to know what your options are. Sometimes you have to get a little creative. That creativity doesn't come in throwing your hands up in the air and saying, I'm just going to be self-pay. That's it. It's just crazy for me to pay these premiums, because then you're unprotected. And then when you do have a pre-existing condition, you're not going to have as many options as you would being on insurance. So it is important to stay protected. There's a lot of reasons for that. You don't want to burn through your whole retirement. You don't want to burn through your life savings if something big happens. And honestly, right now in the market that we're in, there's some places that are not accepting self-pay. As oddly as that sounds, I have seen a couple of doctors that are not accepting self-pay patients. Why that is, I don't understand it. If you have a broker that's able to look at the plans and look at the options and get creative with you, I would say just be open to the ideas. It may not check all the boxes for you, but it's going to check a lot of the boxes for you. So have a broker that has access to multiple carriers and multiple options and can get creative with you to help you to afford this hump in the road right now. Because I think it will change. I just don't know when. And I'm hoping it happens soon, you guys, because this impacts me just as much as it impacts you. I don't get excited about seeing rate increases. It means triple the work. It means I have to have a conversation with you. And then I'm the bad guy. And I'm really not the bad guy. I have no control over that. I want to help my clients out. That's my whole goal in life. Is I'm a pleaser. I want to make my clients happy. I want them to have a positive experience. In doing that, I have created multiple solutions for my clients to have. So again, if you want to know more about this, or if you're frustrated right now with your rate increases and you want to have some creative ideas, reach out to me. I'm KJ, your forever agency, taking the hell out of health insurance.